and with respect, if people don't know the background, how would they know why this attempt took place? The reason why that they tried everything to somehow get me out of the way. When that didn't happen, this was planned. And 2 months ago, an agency produces this video which accuses me of blasphemy. Then this journalist, Waqar Sethi, who's linked with these agencies, comes up with this another video saying how I had offended the religious sentiments of the people. Then the ruling party information minister, along with the daughter of the former Prime Minister, Mariam Safdar, they then go on television and saying how I have upset the sentiments of the people. It's then that I went on air and said this is a planned thing, because if they assassinated me, the evidence would go on the government. So they made it out that it was a religious fanatic who's going to who would kill me, and then put
Let me put this to you.
Put my assassination